Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Quest I. To begin your adventure, you will start in Tantedgel Castle. Your first task is to speak with the king to receive your initial quest and some gold. Then, explore the castle to find the stairs leading outside. Once on the world map, use the directional pad to move your hero. Remember to talk to everyone you meet for valuable clues and to understand your next steps. Combat in Dragon Quest I is turn-based and straightforward. When you encounter a monster, you will be presented with a menu of options. You can choose to attack, cast a spell, use an item, or attempt to run away. Pay close attention to your hero's hit points and magic points. Defeating enemies earns you experience points to level up and gold to purchase new gear. Upgrading your equipment is crucial for survival. Visit weapon and armor shops in towns to buy better swords, shields, and protective gear. Always equip the strongest items you can afford to boost your attack and defense. As you gain experience levels, your hero will learn powerful new spells. These spells can heal you, damage enemies, or provide utility, so use them wisely. The world of Dragon Quest I is vast and full of secrets. Explore every corner, including forests, mountains, and caves, to find hidden items and new challenges. Each town offers unique shops and non-player characters with important information. Remember to return to Tantedgel Castle frequently to speak with the king and save your progress. Saving is vital to avoid losing your hard-earned progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.